Hi everyone! Welcome to Step by Step Japanese. Today, we are going to learn about the word 大丈夫. This word is used a lot in Japanese, and it means more than just I'm okay. Let's dive in and explore all the different ways you can use 大丈夫. First, let's start with the basic meaning of 大丈夫. It can be translated as I'm okay or it's fine. For example, if your friend asks you 大丈夫? It means, are you okay? I heard you had a cold yesterday. 大丈夫? 大丈夫. I'm feeling better now. Here, 大丈夫 means I'm fine or I'm better. It's used to reassure someone who is worried about you. In this situation, it's similar to saying I'm okay or I'm fine in English. Now let's practice the pronunciation together. First, we'll say it slowly and then at a natural speed. 大丈夫. 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 大丈夫? 大丈夫? Do you need help with today's presentation? ありがとうございます。大丈夫です。Here, 大丈夫です is used when speaking to your boss. In this kind of formal or professional setting, it's more appropriate to add です to make your response polite. In casual situations, just saying 大丈夫 is fine, but in business or formal contexts, 大丈夫です is much more suitable. Would you like to try this product? 大丈夫です In this context, 大丈夫です is used to politely decline an offer. It's equivalent to saying no thank you in English, and it's a common way to politely refuse suggestions or offers in Japan. Would you like some of this snack? あ、今は大丈夫です。Here, 今は means for now or at this moment. By saying 今は大丈夫です you are politely declining something temporarily, implying that you might accept the offer at a different time. It softens the refusal, making it clear that you're not rejecting the offer entirely, just for now. It's a very polite and subtle way to decline in Japanese, showing consideration for the other person's feelings. Let's repeat together. 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。大丈夫です。大丈夫です。Sometimes, 大丈夫 can have a more subtle, even negative meaning. Japanese people often use 大丈夫 out of politeness even when they actually need help. This is because they don't want to bother others. Can I help you with that? 大丈夫です。But I really need help. Japanese people tend to say 大丈夫 to avoid burdening others even when they actually need help. So, if someone seems like they're struggling, even if they say 大丈夫 it might be a good idea to help them anyway. Pay attention to their body language and the situation. If they seem like they really need it, offering help gently can be the right thing to do. Now it's your turn. I'll ask you, 大丈夫? And you can respond based on the situation. Ready? Here we go. Your friend asks, 大丈夫? How would you answer? 大丈夫です。You're at the restaurant and the waiter asks, would you like anything else? How would you answer? 大丈夫です。Today, we learned the many ways to use 大丈夫 It's a versatile word that means more than just I'm okay. It can also mean no thank you or I'm fine. Next time you're in Japan, remember to use 大丈夫 when someone makes a suggestion or asks if you're okay. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll be sharing more useful Japanese phrases you can use in daily life, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.